How to access dashcam snapshots in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. Navigate to the Location tab. Within the Location tab, click on Assets to access both asset locations and the dashcam captured images. A list of trucks and trailers will be displayed. Select a specific truck to access its location and view dashcam images. Set your preferred date range. Based on the chosen date range, the route history of the selected truck will be presented. Click the play button to visualize the entire route on the map. Above the map, you can observe images captured by the dashcam. These images are taken approximately every 5 minutes while the truck is moving, every 15 minutes during idling, and every 30 minutes when parked.